Around 1990, I began working on the 1980, 1981, and 1982 Corvette radiator support and carburetor air intake duct seals. We had new genuine GM parts. This photo shows three 1980 to 82 left and right side radiator support air dam end seals, GM part number 1401 4687. We also had several new genuine GM 1980 to 81 center air duct seals, GM part number 1401 6160. On top of the carb air intake duct in front of the radiator are two side duct seals. We also had new genuine GM samples of this molded rubber seal, GM part number 1401 6159. The 1981 and the 1980 Corvette assembly manual shows how these three different GM seals were installed on the radiator support and the air intake duct. The 8081 air dam used 5 pieces. A center seal under the air intake duct with left and right side ends on either side of the duct, plus 2 pieces on top of the air duct in front of the radiator support. The 82 Corvette used the same radiator support left and right end seals, however the center air duct used 2 different seals. Note that the 82 only air duct seals, GM part number 1404 5992, has 4 steps in the lower surface. The 1982 Corvette assembly manual shows the position of the 2 air duct seals. This illustration of the 4 1982 Corvette seals is from the DocRebuild website prior to 2010. After we opened a web store in 2010, we used photographs of these seals in this 4-piece arrangement. In our old newsprint paper catalogs, I made a mistake in our illustration of these seal sets. Even though I had NOS GM parts in the GM assembly manual, I switched the position of the air duct seals. We were marketing the right seal kits. Just transposed the position of the seals in our paper catalog illustrations. After I stopped wholesaling repro parts to Zip, they continued copying our incorrect illustration, rather crudely, and even assembled the wrong parts in their 80, 81, and 82 seal kits. I started taking photos of these bogus seal kits on the Zip web store beginning in 2005, and then continued to photograph them in 2012. In 2019, they still hadn't figured it out. Remarkably, in 2021, they still had not figured out the air duct seals were switched on 80, 81, and 82 Corvette models. Surprise, surprise, for at least 2005 through 2022, and Zip is still offering the wrong seal kits. So for at least the past 17 years, Zip has not known they copied the wrong illustration and are selling the wrong seal kits. I wonder what fable the Zip resident engineer Justin Abbott has made up when their customer said, "Geez, these parts don't match my original parts." Remember, it was Abraham Lincoln that said you can fool some of the people some of the time and all of the people some of the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. What's worse, they fool the following vendors into selling their bogus repros. And this is going on for years. This isn't something that just happened last week. This has been going on for 17 years at least. Even the Corvette Kingdom, a Corvette vendor in jolly old England, was fooled by Zip. Zip's charade went international. Holy Toledo!